Texture realism often depends on how dense or sparse the particles appear across the surface. Today, I'll cover how to explore grain texture control. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and create a new square canvas about 2048 pixels wide with a soft gray background. Add a new layer filled with white and apply Filter, Noise, Add Noise, around 60% with Gaussian and monochromatic selected. Once the grain appears, open Levels and slowly push the sliders inward until the density of the speckles feels intentional instead of random. Change the layer blend mode to overlay so the grain interacts with the base